put some weight on the mill there, just because the saw is further out. And the saw is further out because I put 2 wheels here and here to see if that makes milling smoother. Probably can't do it if the saw is very low down, because it sort of pulls in and out and sort of makes a nuisance for itself, but higher up there's not as much torque, and it's a full skip chain. A hyper skip chain would be even better for this. That worked really well, but obviously I forgot you've got these in the way. So I've put the wheels horizontal now, and that way you can actually move the mill out to the left if you wanted without having to adjust anything.